Hello guys, so I'm on my way to pick up the speakers, just that I had to make a quick stop. I came to pick up my brother from work real quick, and we're gonna head on that way to the store. I checked online and they say they have a couple of them in stock, so I'm crossing my fingers I could get at least those two for now, because I will be adding an extra pair to the rear of the car, but I would really love to install at least the two front ones for now, since I'm going to be needing an amplifier for the ones in the rear. Alright guys, so let me pick up my brother real quick, because he's going to help me install and record the video for today. So be patient and keep watching the video guys. Stay tuned. Oh wow guys, so I'm here picking up my brother still. Man, this place gets packed. He works here in the mall, and I hadn't been here like around this time. This place gets packed. Here, let me show you real quick. I've been here for almost like a minute. And yeah, like I say, this place gets packed around this time. I had no idea. Now I know next time I'll come a little bit earlier guys, so just damn, that's a nice truck, bro. That's a nice truck, man. Check it out. Puro troqueando acá. There you go. Puro 956, bro. That's what I'm saying. One after another. Check it out, guys. Yeah, that's one dope truck right there, man. Man, I gotta get on my grind and come back. I'm saying, look at all these cars here, man. It's like cruise night during the day, boys. Here in McAllen, Texas. So we're here. We made it to Best Buy, guys. We're gonna go ahead and put the speakers real quick. Okay, so come follow me, guys, and we're gonna go ahead and pick them up. We're gonna go hunt these speakers down. Let's get to it. You already know. All right, car electronics. We made it. All right, let's go check it out if they have some, or unless I'm gonna have to call someone to come assist me real quick. And let's check it out. So I'm looking for a 6 by 3/4 here, but there's only one of them 6 3/4, 6.5. I actually need 2 of these, and by the looks of it, they only have one. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this one real quick, just so I could get started on the doors. And I'm gonna probably have to go to another Best Buy locally. So I'm glad we found these at least, so I can put the doors on the car real quick, and I'll keep you updated, guys. Let's get to it. Okay guys, so I'm actually gonna give you an update that I had a plan, but I wanted to be surprised. But I'm actually I already have this at the house. I've been having it for some time, and that's the one that I'm actually gonna use for the Z28. So I'll be showing how to install this also. I just need to actually get an amplifier for this subwoofer right here. I just thought I mentioned it on this video so you guys could stay tuned for the installation that will be coming up on how to install a subwoofer to your vehicle. Alright guys, bad news. They actually don't have the other pair in stock, but the good news is they have them here locally and at another Best Buy, but I'm actually gonna place an order and they'll ship them straight to the house, and well, I'll show you when I install that the speakers in the back part of the car. So this is very exciting, guys. You know, this is gonna be the first unboxing of my YouTube channel, and like I said, we're working on the Camaro Z28. I'm actually getting 4 speakers of these. That'll be for the doors and for the rear, but later on I will be adding 2 more speakers to the trunk of the car, plus the subwoofer with the new amplifier, and that will be as we go along through this project. So just follow along, guys. Now these are the kickers, 6 3 1/4, or you might also know them by 6.75. Okay, so the rear wheel pack, that's awesome. I love buying kicker products. I really recommend you guys going to check them out. I actually got these at Best Buy, like you already know, and let's check them out, guys. I've been seeing the reviews on these, and they have really good reviews online, and I mean, you can't go wrong with kicker. Okay guys, so it does come with a face for the speaker, but I believe I'm not going to be using these, but here they are if you want to check them out. There you go, and it has the little logo of the kicker speaker. Okay guys, and these are not as big as I thought they were going to be, but they should be looking really good once we install them on the Z28. Here you go, so you can check out the magnet on these. I mean, this is really good quality speakers. I do want to let you know these were actually $80 the pair, so you might want to keep that in mind. You could actually get some speakers the same size for a real cheaper price, but that's up to you. This is what I'm going with. One more thing, guys. So right here, I want to let you guys know that they do come with the extension wires for the installation. They have some of the pinch connectors, and very important, this is what I was looking for, they come with screws, because I don't want to use the screws that I used to have because they were all mixed up. So this is very important. And they come with like little locking pins. So that's very cool, guys. So let's get started. Alright guys, we're gonna start with the passenger side. And this is what we got going on here. So okay, quick update. So I already went ahead and installed the seats in here. I already did the carpet. I'm sorry I did not get to show you that process, but I will be doing how-tos on how to do your carpet installation. If you want to do it yourself, or if you just want to check out videos on how to do it, I will be doing videos on those. I had already updated you guys with the seat belts. These were actually a light gray, but they were really dirty. So I want to go ahead and change them out. And they're not new seat belts. It's just this part that's new. All the mechanism is still the same, original from the car. So here, let me show you real quick before I start doing the installation. And I also did the headliner, but you know that's coming up in very soon on how to do headliners. So let me get started here on the passenger side with the door. I'll show you the door panels in a little while. Just wanted to show you guys real quick. Now this is why it's really important when you buy new speakers to get the wire adapters that they come with, because look how short this is. I can't even pull this wire out, and somebody went already and I guess the previous owner went ahead and did this installation, and I mean he did put tape, so I give him props for that. But I just want to point that out real quick, that it's more recommended if the speakers you buy come with extended wires. I just found out that, because I was looking at the wire color diagram, I just found out this original Z28 actually was equipped with the Bose sound system. So I guess that's why the previous owner cut these two wires off from here, since he wasn't running the original system. And I will go ahead and show you the old speakers that were in here. They weren't in really bad condition, but I'm not a fan of that kind of brand, so that's why I'm actually going to replace these. But I just wanted to point that out, and I will be doing the wiring with the new extension right here. I just got to figure out which color is which. Guys, so right here we got two wires. One of them has a black line, which that will be the negative, and this one does not have a line. That will be your positive wire. Just keep that in mind. And over here, it's usually the darker color that will be the positive, and your lighter color, which right here we have a white and a green. The white will be the negative, and the green on my car, the green will be the positive. guys, so there you go. Now we just have to connect the speaker in here. Let me show you real quick. There you go. You do want to be really careful with the connections. You don't want to break these. You're putting them on. There you go, the positive, and like we said, the one with the black line will be your ground, the negative. Okay, so now we're ready. I just throw these wires in here. You know what, just for safety measures, I'm gonna go ahead and tape these up real quick. And while taping these, you don't need to see that. I'm just gonna wrap them up real quick. Oops. Just gonna guide them real quick, and right now I'll go ahead and tighten them up. Okay, when you're screwing in the speakers, you might want to cover this part just in case if you might actually over tighten it, or just in case the bit slips and you do not want the bit to puncture the speaker. Okay guys, there it is. I'm actually gonna go ahead and test it out real quick, and before I put the door panel back on. So let's get to that. There you go, so everything's working. I will appreciate if you guys guess from what movie that sound was in the comments below. Okay guys, check out the door panels. These I actually worked on, like I had mentioned on the other video, and that I already had these ready. And I went ahead and put this embroidery on here. The carpet is brand new. You can check it out for yourself. This is actually original from a 84 to a 92 Camaro. It goes in the back part of the seat, and it's embroidered to the seat. But we actually work on some on a car like that, and I went ahead and kept what used to be on the seat, and I just cut it out, and right here I sewed it on to the carpet. This is how it looks, guys. Let me go ahead and then install this side, and basically you're going to want to do the same thing to the other side when you install your speakers on your cars. I did not record the process on how I took off the door panels, being because um, all the cars are different when you take out the door panels. Some might be easy, some might be hard. This one is not that difficult. You just really gotta have a lot of patience to do this, because you don't want to break any of the plastic parts or the trims on the door panels. So yeah, let me get to that real quick, and right now you'll see how it turned out. Okay, door panel is ready on the passenger side. I'm about to start on the driver's side. I just wanted to show you real quick and check out the wiring. That's gonna be for the subwoofer, but I already have that all there. The previous owner was running the wires through here, and I believe I'm gonna have to get new RCA wires, 'cause I don't think those are long enough, and probably the power wire is still short, so I'm gonna be running it all the way to the back. And also another thing I want to point out, the plastics, all these, well, they used to be like gray. I did not show the process on that either, but that's basically spraying paint off a spray can. So nothing much there, but if you want, I'm gonna be doing videos on that later on in this channel. Okay, this is how it looks like from the driver's side point of view. Also, I did not mention on the handle, as you can see, it's still painted from overspray on the exterior of the car, but I'm more than likely gonna paint that black. If I ran to some that are chrome online, I'll probably get those, but like I said, if I do not find the chrome ones, I'm gonna end up painting them black just so it could go along with the rest of the interior right here. There you go. The headliner, I know you can see it really well, but I've done that in suede fabric. And before I start on the driver's side of the vehicle, I wanted to show you real quick the old speakers that this car used to have. And I mean, this is a good brand. I don't have any problem against them or anything. I just especially think that the Kicker brand does a lot more better speaker quality than basically any other brand. So that's my go-to. I always go to Kicker. It's a little bit pricier, but I mean, in the long run, then they're gonna last you a very long time. And these weren't really bad, just that the mounting size, it's a 6.5, and what I needed, as you saw the new speakers, I needed the 6 3/4. Also, another thing is that this is kind of flimsy on 2 of them. I used to have all 4 of them, but I'm real skeptical about this, that it shouldn't be like that, since the other 2 are real stiff, and that's another reason why I wanted to replace them. I mean, they didn't sound that bad, but they could have sounded better. So okay, so I'll be receiving these in about 2 days, the ones for the rear. And as you can see over here in the back, that's exactly where I'm going to put the same size of speakers, the 6 and, or I'll probably just go with the 6.5 in this case, just because it seems to be a smaller spot here to put them on. But these are going to be amplified, and I still haven't sold the subwoofer box, but I am gonna get rid of it because, like I said, I have one already. It's a 10-inch subwoofer, kicker as well. And I do not want to be running this big box in here with two 12s. I think that's going to be a lot of weight for the car, and I really don't want to go that route in this. Alright guys, you ready for it? Here comes the cold start. Here we go guys, the car is looking really dirty. And we're about to go take it and show it some love. Give it a nice car wash. There you go. Man, she's looking dirty. Let's go clean it up so I can show you a nice cinematic, which I am not a professional, but I'm starting this channel, so this is for you guys. Wow, look at this beautiful sunset. But look at this really dirty glass windshield, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, we're pulling up to the car wash here real quick, so let's wash this thing, boy. Alright guys, we're off to the next location because this car wash, the machine for the quarters wasn't working, so I'm about to go about half a mile away from here, and let me go wash the car on that side of town because let me put on my seatbelt real quick. There you go. Let's go. speakers are really loud. That's just because I'm only running the 2 pairs from the front. I can't wait to get the other ones installed, the ones on the rear. And man, it's gonna be so loud in here. That's just how I like to drive my cars. Fast and loud. No, that's not a commercial for that show. This is Trujillo Ideando, and I want to thank all the Ideandoneers on the channel. That's officially what I'm going to be calling my subscribers, Ideandoneers, and in Spanish because the channel, well, it's bilingual. I'm going to be doing videos in Spanish and in English, and for all my subscribers in Spanish, les agradezco de todo corazón por seguir el canal, por haberse suscribido, y si no están suscribidos al canal, suscríbanse por favor, me ayuda bastante para seguir haciendo estos videos para ustedes. Y con mucho cariño oficialmente les digo que a mis suscriptores en el idioma de español los voy a nombrar oficial por ideandoneros, porque mi canal se llama Trujillo Ideando. Como les digo, espero que estén bien, que Dios me los bendiga, cuídense mucho y muchas gracias por suscribirse al canal. Aquí, pues como les digo, vamos a seguir con este proyecto del Camaro. Muchas gracias por seguir mirando los videos. Por favor, denles like, compártenlo.